first we have the IBM KB-8923. This is a rubber dome keyboard like I mentioned before. So technically it should be softer, right? But actually I think it's pretty loud, even in comparison to the MX Browns. So let's try it out. Alrighty, that was doing a 30-second speed test. Now this is just typing a random phrase in Notepad, so this is kind of like a normal situation. And let's try typing as soft as possible. Kind of kills your words per minute, but it is possible. Alright, so let's swap this out for the Leopold Tenkeyless. Alrighty, now let's type a random phrase. Sounds about the same, and type as softly as possible. Pretty hard to type softly. And now let's go to the Apple wired. My wireless keyboard doesn't work with my PC. Alrighty, same test. And that one is the quietest keyboard of them all, as expected, although I really enjoying the MX Browns and the Leopold. So there you have it, the sound comparison for all of these keyboards, and hope that gives you a good idea, especially the people who use the Apple keyboard right here. So yeah. Thank you for watching this very video, and I hope you enjoy it.